Now on our odd Australia dollar to our USD dollar, by the way, as we can see, we are actually having this fall on our odd to our USD. We can take here as our support, here as our support, here as our support. I will call this a false breakout, by the way. So what we are expecting next is a bullish move upward to our on our Australian dollar. Let's try and see if we can hit here this week, by the way. For this week, so it depends on how our price plays out for the week. So that is it. So now for this day on the 4th, our price opens bullish and it's closed bullish. We are actually trying to do analysis for the 5th, and I'm trying to predict that our price will also open bullish and also close bullish. At least we should close at around 0.696, around here. This level here we should be closing for tomorrow, which will be on the 5th. Depends on when you are watching this video also, by the way. So now on our 4-hour time frame, we can see that we are having this uptrend move, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Now we are on a retracement level here. After the retracement level, possibly we should be seeing our retracement level to this area here, key level area here, then a continuous bullish move, by the way, on our odd USD. And we expect it to hit here, break above it, and also continue to at least touch here. So exactly what we are aiming for. We are aiming for a bullish move on our odd USD. Now, as you can see on our index DXY, we are expecting our DXY to fall on our 4-hour time frame. See lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. You see the lower highs, right? We are now waiting for a fall again. That is what a legitimate way to say that, okay, this is like we are actually now going bullish on our odd to our odd USD. So it depends on when you want to take your trade, on how you want to take your trade. So that is my analysis. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.